I'm writing to you today to talk about how I came up with the character Mickey Mouse. It was a long and winding road, but I'm so glad that I eventually created this iconic character. It all started in 1928 when I was working on a short film called Plain Crazy. The film was about a character named Oswald the Lucky Rabbit, who was very popular at the time. However, I had a falling out with my distributor, and they ended up taking Oswald away from me. I was devastated, but I wasn't going to give up. I decided to create a new character, and I wanted him to be even more popular than Oswald. I wanted him to be a character that everyone could relate to, a character that would bring joy to people of all ages. I thought about what kind of character I wanted to create, and I eventually settled on a mouse. I thought that a mouse would be a relatable character, because everyone has seen a mouse at some point in their lives. And I thought that a mouse would be a fun character, because they're always getting into trouble. I started sketching out different ideas for the character, and eventually I came up with the design for Mickey Mouse. He had big ears, a round head, and a cute smile. I knew that he was the perfect character for me. I started working on a short film called Steamboat Willie, and I knew that Mickey Mouse was going to be the star. The film was a huge success, and Mickey Mouse became an instant icon. Mickey Mouse has had a profound impact on my business. He has helped to make the Walt Disney Company one of the most successful entertainment companies in the world. He has also helped to shape the way that people view animation. In the early days of animation, cartoons were often seen as just silly entertainment. But Mickey Mouse changed that. He showed people that animation could be used to tell stories, to make people laugh, and to even make people cry. Mickey Mouse has generated billions of dollars in revenue for the Walt Disney Company. He has appeared in countless films, television shows, and merchandise. He is one of the most recognizable characters in the world, and he continues to bring joy to people of all ages. I am so proud of Mickey Mouse, and I am so grateful that he has been such a success. He is a character that will continue to entertain and inspire people for generations to come. Here are some additional details about the effects that Mickey Mouse had on shaping the business. Mickey Mouse helped to make animation a legitimate art form. Before Mickey Mouse, cartoons were often seen as just silly entertainment. But Mickey Mouse showed people that animation could be used to tell stories, to make people laugh, and to even make people cry. Mickey Mouse helped to make the Walt Disney Company one of the most successful entertainment companies in the world. Mickey Mouse merchandise is sold all over the world, and he has appeared in countless films, television shows, and theme parks. Mickey Mouse helped to popularize the idea of the Disney brand. Mickey Mouse is a symbol of quality and family-friendly entertainment, and his image has helped to make the Walt Disney Company one of the most trusted brands in the world. I hope you enjoyed reading about how I came up with the character Mickey Mouse. He is a character that I am very proud of, and I am so grateful that he has been such a success. If you want to learn more, you can find me 6 feet underground in Georgia. As the story of Mickey Mouse's creation and success reached its peak, Walt Disney's legacy lived on, continuing to shape the entertainment industry for years to come. The impact of Mickey Mouse on the Walt Disney Company was immeasurable, but the story didn't end with his initial success. Here's what happened next. Encouraged by Mickey's overwhelming popularity, Walt Disney saw an opportunity to expand his creative endeavors. He set his sights on developing Mickey Mouse into a beloved franchise that would captivate audiences across various media platforms. With Mickey's endearing personality and universal appeal, Walt envisioned the mouse becoming the central figure in a series of animated adventures. The success of Steamboat Willie had opened doors, and he was determined to walk through them with Mickey Mouse leading the way. Walt Disney recruited a talented team of animators and writers who shared his vision. Together, they worked tirelessly to create new Mickey Mouse cartoons, pushing the boundaries of animation and storytelling. Each new installment showcased Mickey's charm, wit, and mischievous nature, endearing him further to audiences of all ages. Soon, the world witnessed the release of a string of successful Mickey Mouse shorts. Audiences eagerly awaited each new episode, becoming deeply invested in the charming mouse and his unforgettable adventures. From slapstick comedy to heartfelt tales, the Mickey Mouse series showcased the versatility of animation as a storytelling medium. The success of the cartoons inspired Walt Disney to explore other avenues for Mickey's reach. He introduced the concept of merchandise tied to the character, allowing people to bring a piece of Mickey Mouse into their homes. Mickey dolls, clothing, and accessories flooded the market, captivating fans around the globe. Walt's ambition didn't stop there. He envisioned Mickey Mouse as a larger-than-life character, capable of transcending the screen and becoming an immersive experience. With his unwavering determination, Walt set out to create the ultimate entertainment destination, Disneyland. In 1955, the gates of Disneyland swung open, and Mickey Mouse stood proudly as its ambassador. The theme park embodied the magic and wonder of Disney's creations, and Mickey became the symbol of joy, adventure, and imagination within its hallowed grounds. Generations of families from all corners of the world flocked to Disneyland, forging lifelong memories in the presence of the iconic mouse. As the years passed, the legacy of Mickey Mouse continued to expand. Walt Disney Studios released feature-length animated films starring Mickey, captivating audiences and epic adventures that showcased the mouse's endearing qualities and introduced new characters to his world. Television became another platform for Mickey's magic. The Mickey Mouse Club, a beloved children's variety show, brought the character into the living rooms of millions, inspiring young talents and fostering a sense of community among its viewers. Mickey's infectious spirit and optimistic outlook resonated deeply with audiences, cementing his place as a timeless symbol of childhood joy. In the decades that followed, Mickey Mouse's presence extended to international Disney theme parks, where his character met guests from around the world, spreading laughter and cheer. The magic of Mickey's image also found its way onto countless products, from household items to fashion lines, continuing to bring happiness into people's everyday lives. The legacy of Mickey Mouse became a fundamental part of the Walt Disney Company's identity. The iconic character's enduring popularity fueled further innovation and expansion, with the company diversifying its creative endeavors, introducing new beloved characters, and bringing magical stories to screens large and small. Today, Mickey Mouse's impact remains unparalleled. His image stands as a testament to the power of imagination, storytelling, and the enduring spirit of Walt Disney's vision. The character's continued presence in the hearts of millions ensures that Mickey's adventures, laughter, and positive outlook will continue to inspire and bring joy to generations yet to come. So, if you ever find yourself in Disneyland, take a moment to pause and appreciate the significance of that beloved character, Mickey Mouse. Remember that behind his cheerful smile lies a story of determination, creativity, and the boundless magic that continues to make dreams come true.